Very quick one. The container Skelly Twist Locks. Locked on and open positions. So this is the rear. That's locked. So I'm going to pull the handle towards me. And that's unlocked. So that's locked. So I've pushed the handle back in the, it's basically going that away, across the back of the trailer. To unlock, it's sticking out. So in effect, it's protruding from the back of the trailer. And if you can see the twist lock itself locking into place, so that's unlocked. So the container will be able to be pulled off the Skelly that way, and then when it's loaded, dropped on, excuse me, when it's dropped on, you then come around, and that's now the locked position. I'll go around to the front and show the front. So this is now the front, looking down the trailer. This goes that way. So that's locked. Pulling it out, unlocked. So that's now protruding away from the container. So that's locked, unlocked. So they're the two positions. You can actually go all the way round, point it that way. It goes all the way round, but you can't get it round because it gets in the way. Okay, but that's locked, that's unlocked.